This is Cooking with Richie, and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Before I start, I just got this in the mail yesterday. My wife called me. She said, "Did you check your mail?" I'm like, "No." She goes, "Go in the mailbox and check. Hurry. You've got something waiting for you in the mail." I'm like, "All right." So I went out to the mailbox. This is what I got in the mail. My wife and my son decided to get me a belated birthday present, and this is it. They know that I love to cook, and they felt it was only appropriate to give me this. So, I'm Chef Richie. Welcome to Cooking with Richie. So, yeah, guess what I'm doing with my new apron? This episode, I'm actually paying homage to an old pizza restaurant up in Massachusetts that closed years ago, and I'm so sad. What pizza joint am I talking about? SOKOS Pizza. Have you ever had a Greek pizza? I'm gonna try to recreate it. I can't guarantee it's gonna taste exactly like SOKOS, but it's gonna be close. And I'm actually making the dough. So, let's cook. I need 5 cups of bread flour. All right, clean this up. 2 teaspoons of yeast. 1, 2. I need to mix this a little bit. So. We need 2 1/4 cups of warm water. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that we have all the ingredients together, mix to combine. Here we go. I think that should do it. Look. I made bread. Done. Nice and warm. The water I put in there was pretty warm. But that's it. Done. So anyway, I'm going to make the pizza sauce now. Ready?